All right, we're over in Fairfield. We're doing a hardwood floor. It's got some pretty worn spots, but just normal wear and tear. We've already run over it one time with 36 grit sandpaper. So we're going to keep working at it on this 36, and then we'll go take it all the way down 80, 60, and just keep on going down and get it all smoothed out. Our first hour or so in here. Get her all the way stripped back down, and then we're just using a regular old buffer to do it. It's not super bad, but probably a little bit longer to do it than a drum sander, but I chose to do it this way. We'll run the 36 over it until we get her all back down to bare wood, and we'll start smoothing it out.